Hey folks, thanks for joining me today. So this is going to be a very quick video because it's going to show you how I got the background from my last video that I posted. So I will put that into the description below so you can go and see what it looks like as a finished product. But I really wanted to show you how I got that. And like I said in the previous video, this was a complete mistake that turned out to be absolutely fabulous. So I'm doing this on a coaster that I had casted, but it wasn't the greatest, so I didn't end up using it. But I always keep things like that so I can play around with different techniques and things. And this is done in real time, so there's no speeding up the paintbrush strokes or anything like that because this is very simple. So all I did was I gave it two coats of white paint over the entire surface and I let that dry. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm just getting a nice even coat, and I'm pretty generous with the paint. So that's just to give it a thicker base coat, and it just helps with when I put on the uh, oh, what's this called? The Holographic Illusions by DecoArt. So that's what I'm applying right now. And although you can't really tell other than there is a bit of a shimmer, once it dries, this is absolutely stunning. Like there, I'm just showing you on my brush there, the big flakes of glitter that's in this paint. And this is what helps with the effect that we end up with. So I actually put this on very generously. And you'll see very shortly that I put like globs on it and then I have to brush it out. Um, but again, that's totally okay. We're just going for the final effect. So if it gets really sloppy, it's not a big deal. Um, while I'm doing this, I just want to let you guys know that a little bit about me. So the summertime is a very busy time for me because of my employment. So I work for wildfires, and this particular year we are experiencing some major fires. So I've been rather busy and taking care of that, and that is my full-time employment. So if I don't get something posted out, I'm really sorry. It's just because I haven't had time. So just letting you guys know that. But look at how this, once it's dry, look at the shimmer and the different colors, and it is so pretty. I could leave it like that, but I want to show you the effect that I got. So I slap on some black paint, cover it all up because I didn't like it. I wasn't happy with it. And so I just cover it up with black paint. And I just do basically one coat, and I just spread the paint around. Now, when I do put the paint on for the first coat and the only coat, I do put it on rather thick. So, but I just do that to brush it all out. And you can already see the difference of texture in that with the bumps all over the place. So I'm just going to lift it up to show you there. And there, it's very bumpy. So I let this dry completely, and there it is, dry. You can still see some of it shining through, but I just really wanted to show you that it's really bumpy. So I take some sandpaper. This is 220 grit. And I get these into small pieces. I cut them into smaller pieces and then I rip them to what I need them to be. And which is what I just did there. There I go. Tear. And then I just fold it again in half, but I don't tear it this time. I just fold it in half. And then I just very lightly sand. Watch. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Check that out. It's like a galaxy almost. Like it is so pretty. So I do the entire coaster or the entire surface, and the more I rub, the more of it starts to show. So it's an amazing effect that you can do. Um, and it once you sand it down, it also makes it relatively smooth. So you don't have those bumps anymore, you do, but they're not as prominent as they were. But you still get this glorious shine and shimmer. Like, just check that out. I have so many ideas running through my head right now on how to use this application. I'm telling you guys, you're going to be seeing some of this in future videos. So be prepared, and get out your holographic illusions paint. Maybe I'll try this technique with some of my other glitter paint and see how that works too. Maybe we'll do some experimenting. Um, so make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of these, and that you ring the bell so that you'll be notified when I do post. And give me thumbs up. I really enjoyed bringing this to you guys, and I really hope that you try it out. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried it out, or if you're gonna try it out. I'd really love to know. But basically, this was discovered by an accident, and it was a happy accident, I'm telling you. So there you have it, folks. Life is what you make it, so get creative.